The Ender 3 V3 SE 3D printer impresses with a remarkable maximum print speed of 250 millimeters per second, significantly reducing print times while maintaining excellent quality. Equipped with the innovative Sprite direct extruder, this 3D printer ensures smooth and reliable filament feeding, accommodating various materials like PLA, TPU, and PETG with ease. The CR Touch auto leveling feature and strain sensor simplify the printing process by automating adjustments, ensuring a hassle-free and accurate print setup. Dual Z-axis lead screws and Y-axis linear shafts made from durable steel enhance the printer's stability and precision, effectively minimizing deviations during prints. Pre-assembled components make the Ender 3 V3 SE quick to set up, allowing users to start printing within 20 minutes of unpacking, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. The convenience of automatic filament loading and unloading further enhances the user experience, making material changes swift and straightforward.